Hello everyone, I'm Kajal, your physical education teacher, and today we are going to discuss the next game, hockey game of 10th class students. So we are going to discuss about hockey history. Games resembling hockey have been played since 2000 BC. The Persians, Egyptians, Greeks and Romans all left evidence of an activity. Playing a game with the ball and sticks. So this game is played with the ball and the sticks. The rules of the modern field hockey were first codified in England, where the Shinty, the Black Hat Club in the London was first to be formed in the 1861, and official matches were played. Men's field hockey was an event in 1908 London Olympics. Women's field hockey became an Olympic event only in 1980. The International Hockey Federation (FIH) was formed in 1924 to govern the game. Today it has 119 member nations. Beside Olympics, the World Cup is the main tournament, started in 1971 for men and 1974 for women. In India, it started from Gwalior in 1924. The Indian Hockey Federation was formed in 1925 at Gwalior, and it is named as Hockey India, which regulates its development in the India. Next is latest rules of the game. 2 teams, 11 players each, play 2 halves of 35 minutes for men and 30 minutes for women, with a 5 to 10 minutes rest in half time. Next, according to new rules on trial basis, the hockey game is of 60 minutes duration, played in 4 quarters, 50 minutes each, with rest of 2 minutes in each quarter and 15 minutes in half time. According to the new rules on trial basis, again in knockout tournament, in case of tie, then no extra time is given. The winners of the match is decided by penalty shootouts. In penalty shootout, only one opponent is permitted to score the goal in less than 8 seconds. Substitute players can enter at any time except during a penalty corner. The referee blows his whistle to signal the start of the play, and the ball is put in the play with the center pass to own half of the field, during which all the players must be in their own half field. There are 2 referees who regulate the rules of the games. The goal is only scored from the inside of shooting circle D. The goalkeeper can use hands and legs but cannot hold the ball. If the foul is committed by the defender in the shooting circle, the penalty corner is given to the opposing team. If there is tie during the regular time, then 2 halves of 10 minutes each are played as extended time. If there is still tie, then sudden death is followed, in which 5 players of each team attempt to push the ball while opponent goalkeeper defends the ball. So here are the tips to remember. So they had given again the length of the playing field, breadth of the playing field, number of players in the team, substitute players, penalties, stroke positions. So you have to learn these terms. Next one, terminology points: free hit, next obstruction, back stick. So you just go through from these points. Next one, we are going to discuss about the penalty stroke procedure. It is also known as 7-yard push. It is given when some serious offense is committed by the defending team in their shooting circle, which probably has interrupted the goal scoring. Next one, the fouls for penalty. It is awarded only when a player or a team has clearly been disadvantaged by the opponent's offense. International offense by defending the player in circle has deprives attacker for the ball possession, or unintentional foul during the defense or by the defenders in a circle, or defenders intentionally place the ball over backline. So next one, we are going to discuss about the duties of a referee. Two referees are there, one in each half. They judge fair play in their halves and give decisions. They ensure the time play, and they signal fouls and enforce penalties too. Next one, they signal fouls and enforce penalties too. Next one, their duty is to check the equipments of the players as well as the restart after the suspension of play, penalty strokes, signal goal. So these duties are performed by the referee. Equipments carried by the referee: whistle, watch or stopwatch, small diary or pen, green, yellow and red cards. Next, fundamental skills of the hockey: holding the stick. For right-handed player, left hand holds the stick firmly from the top edge of the grip. Right hand supports the stick from the middle of the grip. Dribble: it is tackling the ball with the stick work. The movement of the ball is controlled by rolling the stick around it, and it is while maintaining constant control to the ball with the stick. This prevents the opponents to get position on the ball. Dribbling: straight dribble, loose dribble, Indian dribble, dribbling pull back. So these are the few kinds of the dribbling. Next, push. This stroke is used to send the ball to the shorter distance, to pushing the ball to a shorter distance. Drive or hit: this is a powerful stroke for a long passes or to score a goal. Sweep: it is variation to hit pass. To the grip and the distance same like hits, whereas the stick is drawn back or a short way and swept forward along the ground to strike the grip and the distance same like hits, whereas the stick is drawn back or a short way and swept forward along the ground to strike the ball. Flick: this technique is used for the penalty strokes. It is similar push but the ball which is lifted at a low height. Scoop: it is similar to flick but the ball is lifted more high. Here the ball is lifted a low height and here it is lifted at a more height. Next, dodge: it is technique of dribbling in which the coming opponent is deceived in other direction by fake body movement. Corner push: this is a kind of push used in penalty corner, short corner or from a long corner also. In this skill, player pushes the ball with power so that it should quickly reach to the own teammate. Tapping: the skill is used to stop the fast coming ball by carefully stopping it with the stick, like upright stop, flat stop. So these are the few kind of tapping. So these are the few skills, fundamental skills for the hockey game. Next are the important tournaments, personalities and venues. The names have given here. You just learn these ones and go through from these. So this was your whole game, hockey game. Hope you understood. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.